Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Reddit account security and email verification, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Reddit homepage. Log into your Reddit account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select User Settings from the menu options. In the User Settings menu, navigate to the Safety and Privacy tab. Here, you will find several security options to enhance your account protection. To update your password, click on the Change Password option. Enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to prevent unauthorized access. After changing your password, scroll down to the email section. Check if your email address is verified. If it is not, click on the Verify Email button. Reddit will send a verification link to your registered email address. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from Reddit. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your address. Once verified, return to the user settings. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for added security. You can find this option under the Security section in the settings. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication. This usually involves linking your phone number or using an authentication app. After setting everything up, review your security settings once more. Ensure all information is accurate and all options are enabled. Finally, log out of your account to complete the update process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.